uh, for your generosity and continue to fund this project that are very important to our livelihood in the island countries. We thank you, Mr. Bauchi and Paula and the UNDP office for your expertise and to make sure that this funding will be implemented in the utmost professionalism and knowing that the livelihood of our people throughout the region.
So, that is really, and then how you're going to use for also for public consumption and then some of the interfaces and the mobile. Thank once again of Japan, the people of Japan for making this very important assistance available to people of Palau. And Ambassador, thank you in the name of Japanese and person.
Weather itself is very much affected by climate change. In Japan, also we are general Japanese people are very sensitive to weather. We have 4 seasons, very much different climate temperature and humidity. And we are proud of having the most advanced warning system of tsunami. If we watch the television, and we quite frequently feel a slight earthquake. And if we have a earthquake, maybe a few seconds after the earthquake, the possibility of tsunami appears on the screen of the television. Less than 1 minute. It's a very advanced system. This morning is very, very important. Every day, on a daily basis. And of course, the same is same thing in Palau. Of course, you have frequently typhoon, but heavy rain. So warning prediction is very, very vital for the livelihood of